Welcome back. Hindu Janajagrati Samiti has urged the government not to pay homage to the late M.F. Hussain. A special documentary will be shown at IFFI to commemorate the life of Hussain. The Hindu organization has taken a strong objection to this.
Members of Hindu Janajagrati Samiti say that M.F. Hussain has hurt the sentiments of Hindus by painting obscene paintings of Hindu deities and Bharat Mata. They now want the special screening of a documentary on Hussain called Through the Eyes of a Painter at IFFI to be cancelled on Sunday.
तर या संदर्भात आज अनेक संघटनांनी त्याला विरोधही केलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती असेल की चित्रकार मकबूल फिदा हुसेन यांनी हिंदूंच्या देवता भारत माता यांची नग्न व अश्लील चित्रे पिटाळून त्याने हिंदूंच्या भावना पायदळी तुडवलेल्या आहेत.
We will decide further what is their response. We have emailed letters to Ambika Soni, the Minister for Information and Broadcast. There is no response from her. We have made,
to cancel this screening.
yes, to cancel this program of offering tribute to M.F. Hussain.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
And now news from sports. The Goa Ranji squad has seen some ups and downs of late, but team morale levels have come a long way since the Maharashtra match. Coach Vivek Kolambkar is happy with the players' performance in the last two matches and has set realistic targets for the remaining two matches. Goa is up against Hyderabad at Porvorim on the 29th of November, with a possibility of VVS Lakshman and Pragyan Oja playing against the hosts. Swapnil Asnodkar has returned to nets and given a warm welcome by all the players. But doubts surround Jakati's inclusion as he still hasn't recovered fully from his finger injury. Not too long ago, there was a gloomy feel around the Goa dressing room for reasons that have automatically receded to dust. Swapnil Asnodkar is back in the squad and was seen stroking the ball with confidence on Saturday. Robin D'Souza seems to have his tail up as well. Regan Pinto has come good in the away matches, with the surprise man Sher Bahadur Yadav scoring crucial runs. Amit Yadav was seen turning his arm. The arm spinner is Goa's highest wicket taker so far with 14 wickets in 3 matches. Jakati hasn't recovered from his finger injury though and might not start against Hyderabad. But the players and coach seem to have put all clouds of darkness away and focus on Mission Ranji Elite.
We all are professionals and we have to do our duty. Whatever job we have given, we have to do it for the team. And it's for the state. It's not about the individual performances, it's for the team. And that is why I spoke to the guys and good to see them giving 100% every time. Say Robin is doing very well as a captain. He's taking the players together. He's talking to them every now and then. And talking about Sher Bahadur, we have a plan that we wanted an outright win. And Keenan was injured, so I wanted somebody who can play his strokes.
Looking at the coming matches, how is the mood in the camp? Any injury scares for you right now?
No, except Jakati, everybody is fit and hopefully he'll get for the next match. Rest all are very much fit and they want to do well against Hyderabad. So because it's a crucial match for us to qualify for the knockout stage.
Okay, there are talks that Lakshman and Oja might be playing. Any special plans to counter these two players, because one's a great batsman, one's a pretty good bowler who's doing quite well on the national circuit?
See, cricket is a one ball game actually, and you need a one good ball to get a good batsman out. So we are hoping our plans do work as it has been in the past two matches, and we are hopeful of doing good against Hyderabad.
And you as a coach might be really excited and happy that Swapnil is back in the scheme of things?
Yeah, really, because he has been our main batsman all these years, and actually our top order mainly depends on him only, and it's good to see him back in the team.
Okay.
Our morale is very high. All the players have welcomed him wholeheartedly, and we hope to get some good runs from him.
From Porvorim, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte. Zambia systematically demolished Goa 11 4-0 or rather 4-1 in their first Golden Jubilee Tour match at Fatorda. The visitors dominated proceedings but failed to score in the first half. Then after going 1-0 down at the start of the second half, Zambia scored 4 goals in 20 minutes, much to the Zambian coach's delight. However, Zambia coach Hervé Renard was unhappy with the scoreline and expected 3 to 4 goals more. On the other hand, Goa 11 coach Armando Colasso was satisfied with his players' performance. Zambia's passing and moving seemed far better right from the outset. Despite a third-minute free kick from Denzel Franco, Goa had no other chance in front of Zambia's goal in the first half. Goa seemed completely taken aback by the way Zambia were moving. The African side was in full flow and attacked a vulnerable-looking Goa defence down the flanks, but missed some sitters in front of goal. In the second half, Dempo's Joy Ferrao overpowered Zambia's custodian to head home a smart goal to put Goa 11 in front. But what followed thereafter was pure exhibition stuff. Kampamba Ronald scored the first goal in the 67th minute, while Kangwa Evans made it 2-1 3 minutes later. In the 73rd minute, Kampamba Ronald doubled his tally while Lungu Chisamba completed the rout in the 88th minute and made it 4-1 for the African side.
I was sure we were scoring to equalize, and after the most difficult for this game was to score the first goal. No, I was expecting more goals than 4, because today I think we should score maybe 3 or 4 more goals. In first half we are 3 times in front of the goal, just in front of the keeper, and we shoot outside. For us it was an average game, and I'm sure we'll be better Tuesday.
Much superior. They are much superior. The 80 standard, and what is our standard in Goa? Our India is 160. I'm happy the way they played in spite of all the odds. These players were fighting for a place in the national team. We are tied in the I League and still the players. I'm happy with the management of some of these clubs who release the players and the players gave their best. Everything was okay till I changed to give a chance to the youngsters. That's how we started considering it. Yeah, because they kept the shape. It's later on they didn't keep the shape because the youngsters worked it. So there's no problem.
From Fatauda, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Samir Bhatt. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.